Over 4,500 years ago, under the scorching sun of ancient Egypt, the towering pyramids were built to honor the pharaohs and ensure their journey into the afterlife. Among these, the Great Pyramid of Giza, built for Pharaoh Khufu, stands as one of the greatest architectural feats in human history. Pharaohs were seen as gods on earth. To secure their legacy and guarantee their divine resurrection, they commissioned massive tombs, the pyramids. These structures symbolized the rays of the sun, helping the pharaoh's soul ascend to the heavens. Building such monumental structures required meticulous planning. Engineers and priests decided on the pyramid's dimensions and orientation, aligning them precisely with the cardinal points. The site was chosen carefully, close to the Nile River for easy transportation of materials. Contrary to the myth of slave labor, archaeologists believe that skilled laborers and seasonal workers built the pyramids. These workers were organized into teams, living in nearby camps with access to food, water, and medical care. The pyramids were constructed from limestone and granite. Limestone, used for the outer casing, came from nearby quarries, while granite for the interior chambers was transported from Aswan, over 800 kilometers away. Copper tools like chisels and saws were used to cut and shape the stones. Once the pyramid was completed, the ramps were removed, and the outer limestone casing gleamed brightly under the sun, reflecting the power and divinity of the pharaoh. Inside, intricate chambers and passageways housed the pharaoh's sarcophagus, treasures, and symbolic goods for the afterlife.
So this was how I was able to generate the content that you just watched. I've seen so many of these videos on TikTok. People have tapped into this content idea as a faceless content niche. So the first thing I did was asking ChatGPT to give me a 5-minute story of how the Egyptian pyramid was built. So what I would do is type in the prompt. So the prompt says, give me a 5-minute story of how the Egyptian pyramid was built. Now let's send it out. ChatGPT has provided us with the answer of what we asked for. So I don't think it's up to 5 minutes, but we can work with this. All we need to do is copy it by scrolling down and clicking on this icon to copy. Then the next thing you need to do is to proceed to pasting it in Microsoft Word, basically. So I have copied it. I'm going to paste it on Microsoft Word. So here we are, Control V. And now we are done. Next step will be to go to TikTok, download one of the sample videos on your PC, then go back to ChatGPT, click here, and upload the video. So let's do that. Going to click here. This is the video I downloaded. I'll open it. Wait for it to finish downloading. So after we have finished uploading the video, which is this that you are seeing here, you have to type in this prompt. Just copy this prompt and type it in. The prompt says, review this video and let your answer be similar to it. I want to create a video for YouTube with a story you have provided. With the story you have provided, I want to use runway Gen 3 for this generation. The reason why I said runway Gen 3 for this generation, because ChatGPT is very familiar with runway Gen 3, which is a text to video generator. So, and I said, I will use runway Gen 3 for this generation. I want text prompts for every sentence or every 2 to 3 sentences that will convert into 5 to 10 minutes seconds video with runway gen 3. Note that I want my video images to be similar to the video I uploaded. So now let's see what ChatGPT, let's see the prompt that ChatGPT will provide for us. So now we have the results, and ChatGPT has given us what we asked for. All we need to do is to copy the prompt and also paste it on Microsoft Word, as you know. Then we will move over to the next step, which will be to generate videos. So let's copy it. So here we are. I just pasted the prompt on Microsoft Word. So the prompt I gave to ChatGPT, I told ChatGPT that I will use the runway, the runway Gen 3 to generate this videos, but I'm not going to use that. We have a better tool. I won't say a better tool, but I prefer it. It's called Kling.Ai. So I will use Kling.Ai to generate my videos. All I need to do is to copy the prompt that ChatGPT gave me and paste it on Kling.Ai. Then I will get the videos. So now it's time to generate the video. The first prompt is this, and they say duration is 5 seconds. So I'll copy it into Kling.Ai if you have an account. But if you don't have an account, all you need to do is to use your email address to generate an account. When you log on to Kling.Ai, this is how the dashboard looks like. And all you have to do is to come here and click on AI videos. Okay. This is where you paste the prompt, the test prompt. Make sure that you select text to video. Then paste your text prompt here, Control V. Scroll down and select 5 seconds. Make sure your aspect ratio is 16:9. So then you click on generate. As you click on generate, you will see this, and it's going to take some time for it to finish. So what we have to do is that we need to wait for it to finish. So basically, this is what you need to do for every single prompt ChatGPT has provided for you. Once this is done generating, which I will show you the result in a second, all you need to do is to clean the, the, the image here, and go ahead and copy the next prompt that was provided for you, paste it, and click on generate. Do that until you have pasted all the prompts that was given to you by ChatGPT, and you will get the videos. So let's see the result of one of the video that has been generated for us by Kling.Ai. So finally, we are done generating this particular image. Let's see. Download it. All you have to do is to click here and you press download without watermark. Okay. Now remember, you have the story, but you don't have the audio. How do you get the audio? The only way to get the audio is to use an AI tool that will generate audio for you. And the best one I use is OpenAI TTS. OpenAI TTS is the same company that owns ChatGPT that has OpenAI TTS. Now, let me show you how it looks like. So this is how OpenAI TTS looks like. I'm going to sign in and continue. This is where you paste the story that ChatGPT has provided for you. I'm going to paste the story. Remember, not the prompt, the story, the first one that we generated. So let's go ahead and paste it. I've pasted it and I did some adjustment to make it sound like a story by removing some of the things that ChatGPT provided. Just review your story and adjust it to make it basically look like sound like a story. So now this is the AI voices, and you have to explore and click on sample how to hear how it sounds. My favorite for this type of um project is Jack. So I already saved it as one of my favorite. This is Jack. I'll click on Jack and I'll select speed to 1, which is the normal speed, and I'll make sure it's in high quality. It doesn't matter, high quality. Then I'll click on generate speech. Once it's done, it will show success. Click on go to history and you will see your project. Then you download it. So this is it. To download it, all you have to do is to click here and it will be downloaded. So yeah. So basically, that's all you need to do to get your video generated. All you have to do is to copy all the clips from Kling.Ai to your video editor and copy your audio from OpenAI TTS to your video editor and combine them together to get your result basically, and voila, you have a similar video to the ones you see on TikTok. These videos are always viral on TikTok anytime I see them. So I think it's a great content idea if you want to start a faceless channel on TikTok really. So you might need to consider starting this type of content if you want to start a faceless channel and you are into science or history. So that is it. Please do not forget to like this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment if you would try to create something similar to this. And bye.